Hi guys, I'm Uli Haus, your pizza consultant, and in this video we'll be testing 4 different baking surfaces. First test, the ordinary parchment paper on a baking sheet. The pizza dough will be placed onto parchment paper, finished with toppings and then baked in the oven. Second test, the experiment. Here we're baking pizza on a reversed blank baking sheet. Third test, the classic. In this case we're baking pizza on a pizza stone. And the fourth test, the exceptional. Here we're baking pizza on a steel plate. Alright, we just tested 4 different surfaces on which to bake a pizza. First was the ordinary, a baking sheet with a parchment paper. That's actually the surprise, big surprise. You can see that there is a slight browning. It's not as uniform, but it's there. The dough baked all the way through. The rim didn't rise nicely, but that might also be to the fact that the stretching could have been done better. Now, this one here, also quite a surprise, but more in a negative sense. That was a pizza baked on a preheated reversed baking sheet. Without the parchment paper, same temperature, and you can see there's no browning at all. The sauce actually wet through the dough. The dough didn't rise at all. We even put that pizza back on a pizza stone, but that just didn't help. It didn't rise, and yep. Now here we have the pizza baked on a pizza stone. Just like with the first pizza on the parchment paper, you have a nice browning, but it's much more uniform here. Very nice. The dough even rose nicely. Great result. Now that is the last candidate. The pizza baked on a pizza steel, a regular steel plate. As you can see, the browning is intense and it is very uniform. You can even tell the force with which that heat has been shot into the dough. That dough baked through everywhere, and you can even see that thin layer of crust that forms and separated from the rest of the dough. Very good result. If you like it crisp, I'd suggest go for that pizza steel. Alright, here a quick summary of the key facts. Heat storage. The pizza stone as well as the pizza steel both store a great amount of heat. However, due to its higher density, the steel is able to store more heat. The baking sheet and parchment paper both win in the category of usability and costs. We usually have them at home and can also use them for other things. In these 2 categories, the pizza steel wins over the pizza stone. That's simply because it is cheaper and indestructible. Yeah, as we can see, baking surfaces really do make a difference. And that even taste-wise. If you liked my video, then comment, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Facebook page and Instagram.